Welcome students, ninth class Maths part 2nd, lesson number 4, construction of triangle. Today we are going to solve practice set 4.2. In this practice set we are going to study to construct a triangle when its base, adjacent angle to the base and difference between the remaining sides is given. Now question number 1 is a construct triangle XYZ such that YZ is equal to 7.4 centimeter, angle XYZ is equal to 45 degree and XY minus XZ is equal to 2.7 centimeter. Now in this example we have to draw rough figure at first in which base is YZ and YZ is equal to 7.4 centimeter is given. One angle adjacent to this base, that is angle Y, means angle XYZ 45 degree is given. So we have to draw this angle Y 45 degree here. Now difference of remaining two sides, that is XY minus XZ is given here. So we take 2.7 centimeter, that is difference between remaining two sides, in a compass and take a distance from Y on this line 2.7 centimeter, then join this W point and Z point and then we draw the perpendicular bisector of WZ. So it will meet this line at this point and this point is a X, then we will join the points X and Z. In this way we have to construct triangle XYZ here. Now in this example, in triangle XYZ, YZ is a given base and angle Y is a 45 degree given and XY is a greater than XZ, therefore their difference 2.7 centimeter we have to take on this line. Now let's draw the construction. At first draw the segment YZ 7.4 centimeter. Now by using protractor draw angle 45 degree. This is 45 degree angle. Draw this line now. This line, this line is YT. Now the distance between XY and XZ is a 2.7 centimeter. So take 2.7 centimeter distance in a compass. 2.7 to complete and 7 lines. That is a 2.7 centimeter distance in a compass. Put compass at point Y. Draw the arc on this line. Let this point is W. Now join W and Z. Now we have to find the perpendicular bisector of WZ. take more than half of distance of WZ in a compass. Draw the arc on both sides of this WZ. Now put compass on point Z and draw two more arcs on the opposite side of segment WZ. Now we get the point of intersection of these two arcs. Join these points in such a way that the line should meet ray YT. In this way. This is perpendicular bisector of WZ. Now this point will be point X. This is perpendicular bisector, therefore these two segments are congruent. Now join the points XZ. So point X is on the perpendicular bisector of segment WZ. Therefore point X is equidistant from the points W and Z. Therefore segment XW and segment XZ are congruent. Now this is a XYZ is a required triangle. In this triangle, this angle Y is a 45 degree, YZ 7.4 centimeter, and their difference YW is 2.5 centimeter. This distance is 2.5 centimeter. In this way, we have constructed triangle XYZ here. Now let's see question number 2. Question number 2. Construct triangle PQR such that QR is equal to 6.5 centimeter and angle PQR. In the textbook, this angle is given as 60 degree. But if we draw the triangle or construct the triangle by taking this angle 60 degree, then that triangle become very big. Therefore there is a correction. Don't take this 60 degree, take angle PQR 40 degree here, and we have given PQ minus PR 2.5 centimeter. Now draw at first the rough figure. In this figure, QR is a base. It is given 6.5 centimeter, and we have given PQ minus PR 2.5 centimeter. That is, PQ is greater than PR. This PQ is greater than this side, and their difference is given 2.5 centimeter here. This is rough figure. We have to construct triangle PQR. Same procedure we have to apply here to construct this triangle. Now at first draw segment QR 6.5 centimeter. Here we have to take angle Q 40 degree. Therefore by using protractor draw this angle as 40 degree. Now draw line passing through these points. Let this line is QT. Now difference between the sides is given 2.5 centimeter. So take 2.5 centimeter distance in a compass in this way. Put compass on point Q and draw the arc on this line. Let that point be point S. Now join the points S and R. Join these 2 points. S and R. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of SR. So take more than half of distance of SR in a compass. Put compass on point S and draw the 2 arcs on the opposite side of SR. Now put compass on point R and draw the another 2 arcs on the opposite side of SR. These are the points of intersection of these arcs. Join these 2 points such that the line passing through these points will intersect the ray QT. So this is perpendicular bisector of SR. Therefore these 2 segments are equal. Now this point is point P. Join now P and R. This point P is at equidistant from the points S and R because it lies on the perpendicular bisector of SR. Therefore this segment PS and segment PR are congruent, and this angle we have given 40 degree and distance QR 6.5 centimeter, and the difference between the sides, that is QS, we have given here 2.5 centimeter. 2.5 centimeter. In this way we have constructed triangle PQR. Now let's solve example number 3. Example number 3. Construct triangle ABC such that BC is equal to 6 centimeter, angle ABC 100 degree, and AC minus AB 2.5 centimeter. Now here let's see, BC is a base and its adjacent angle 100 degree is given, but here difference we have given AC minus AB. Instead of AB minus AC, it is given AC minus AB. Their difference is 2.5 centimeter. Therefore we have to take that distance 2.5 centimeter on the ray opposite to this ray, below. we have to take this 2.5 centimeter here. Now let's construct this triangle. So at first draw the side BC of 6 centimeter. Now using protractor draw an angle of 100 degree. This is angle 100 degree. 100 degree. Now let's see, here will be 100 degree. Join these points. Draw the line and also draw the opposite ray in the downward direction. Now this angle is 100 degree. This angle is 100 degree and the difference between the sides is 2.5 centimeter. Therefore take distance of 2.5 centimeter in a compass. .5 centimeter. Put compass on point B and draw an arc in the downward direction. Let this point is a D. Now join the points D and C. Join these 2 points D and C. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of DC. So take more than half of distance of DC in a compass and draw the 2 arcs. On the opposite side of DC. In this way. Now put compass on point C. Draw another 2 arcs. So we get here 2 points. Point of intersection of arcs, these 2 points. Join these 2 points in such a way that it will meet the above ray in this way. It will meet with this ray, and this is point of intersection of these two rays, and this point is a point A. Now join point A and point C. Join these 2 points. Thus we get triangle ABC. In this triangle, this difference 2.5 centimeter is taken below the base BC, opposite to on the ray opposite to this ray. In this way we have drawn triangle ABC. Now this distance and this distance is equal.